Scendi pneumati. Eating fruits vibrat was only at lat. Then there is the vibrat was on the top animation. Deposits appearance is very similar to movement wall, so I'll call it a tangerine. Okay, let's make this tangerine right away. Let's start modeling. Modeling highest blender. You can also use Momomotion. Then we open this shortcut, so that everyone can see my operation. Okay, first we delete this block. We press delete. Then we create a cold corner. We press Shift plus A. Select the cold corner. Let's set its position. Multiply by 0. Then we choose the number of scenes. We choose 3. Then it has more faces. Then we need to add a scene modifier to it. We choose this vendor. Add modifier. We choose the surface scene. After adding, we want to apply to remove what you already added. Okay. Then we want to switch to editing mode. You can choose all top team. We select all. All these 7 middle points. After we select one of them, press Shift plus T. Select a similar point. We choose the number of wimps. Then we select all the 7 middle points. Then we press X. To mod the top point. Then we mod the 7 middle points. Turn the 7 middle. Okay. The fan 7 point is also Shift plus T. Merge. Shift plus T mod. Okay, so our cold corner is broadly done. Next we want to dim this cold corner and reface on only. Let's open window. We to see only. Okay, then we come back and select all the faces. Then press U. Open. Lobby then the fan set and 7 only. Then we need to separate these two units. Otherwise, we won't be able to edit this separate. Let's select it first. Switch to face mode. Then we select one on them. Then we do the same Shift plus T. Then select from multi-set surface. Shift plus T. Then select from multi-set surface. All the 7. Then we press D to select all the 7 units. Then press X to shrink. Just shrink to white. Then we first press D to drop out. Okay, then we come back and continue to select the fence added. Different selections. Shrink. Then we drag to the lower right corner. Okay. Then we select all the faces. Drag back the 7 units as small. Okay. Okay, then all 7 and fan 7 units are all in one picture. Next, we want to face A. Okay, unit, take out a picture and edit image. We press unit to take out the layout. Let's create a folder to put it. Table. Create folder R. Let's give it a name. Outline. Then let's tune the size of this picture. Let's tune it to 2048. Then take out. Okay, now we want this only picture. Next, we want to open a PS editor to edit this picture. We put I used this script. Deposit is open source. We drag this picture in. Okay, then I'm going to dim this one. This is on only picture. To apply that. So we do this later. This edits will shine more cool when machine is set. We want to edit it. We use this brush. Then adjust its smallness. We adjust to smallest so that its percentage will be way too long. Then we choose a size. We choose about 200. Okay. Smaller. Okay. Then we start to deposit it right itself. It's very so we can choose this sorting tool. We choose. Let's create a movie first. Then we choose to start drawing. It's almost done. No need to be too careful. Just a magnet. Okay, the second picture is the same setup. Okay. So we drew off outline. Let's draw it again. Let's create a movie. Then adjust the size. We adjust it to about 30 到40. Then adjust. Then we can draw. We add new overlay. Let's draw it again. Okay. Listen below. Okay. Okay. Then we do it twice. Then we'll then premium sled. Elastic opacity. We can elastic to about 60到70. Then we can this picture. There is a more concentrated blood mass. Then there is a blood mass. This is more beautiful. Then we draw this picture. Grow. We also to Smith folder. Then call out on E. Okay, so we managed the password. Next, we just through call down. File. Grow. FBS. Choose the folder just now. Then what do we draw? We just need the grid. Then draw new text we choose. Okay. We choose this tool. Then draw. Let's get in the name. Covalent. Default. Grow. Okay, so about resources. The preparation work is over here. Then we will stop here. Next, we will go back to then to realize the relevant field codes. Okay, then we will see you next time. Hello everyone, in the last call, we completed the interlocking modeling in this episode. We are going to complete the speed refocusing element. The format, I want to make a different in the last episode. We continue mass towards the face. We can see that this face is connected. When we do this stop animation later, I hope that it face has its own 6 stops. To perform location on the tops, so we need to break this face. That is, it face has its own 6 stops. Then select for the subs. Then we break it. Okay, then we go back to the face mode. At this time, we will break it face. Okay. Then we will pull out this model. Pull out FFPS. Pin in the name, bar. Pull out. We also choose the break. Then select the subject. Okay. Then delete our previous model. Okay. Then we are going to. Well. Okay, it's okay. Then go back to an end. In an end, I can create the product. You can also create a new product. Then choose new product. Because this product is the post-processing effect from post-processing. We will create this product. I can create the time relationship. The dream scene works like this. We can start to demo in it. Well, first of all, we delete this one. Then pour in our resources. This post-processing and this model directly plugged in. Okay. Then we will put our color ball. Pin its magnification. We pin it to 100. Hoopla. Okay, so we drag this color ball. Okay. In order to make our special effects work, we turn off some background colors. First of all, this skybox. Okay. Then in order to run we create a field. This field is a bit small. Let's zoom in. Well, let's shrink this ball first. Let's reset. Okay. Okay. Then our corner. Then more this field. 100. 100. 100. Then no axis is 10. Then our color ball. Well, no axis is 5. Okay, so reference is on this. On the field. Then we can in the color of this environment. First of all, we can use the window. Random. Then open this lighting window. We turn off some of these stacks reflections and maps. First of all, we turn off these stacks. Then we turn off this color. Just black. Then we also choose a pure color for descending blood. We can just delete the double color. Then finally the environment reflection. We also choose to customize. Okay. Our environment was determined out. Then we make our lights darken. Choose a double color. Okay. Then we want our pure matte to reflect light. So let's tint its material. We create a material. then throw it to our field. 19 It's come. We need to be written doctor. At the same time, we need to need a written reward. That is, there is no right. That is, it will not reflect right. Then our sim will be doctor. Next we can. Teaming code on our field. First we create a shader. You open a shader, then create a with shader. That is, there is no right. Disagree no code. We create a material based on this shader. Material. Then plan is material to our shield. Okay. Now the shield works pure white. Then we start to teaming code on this shield. We open it. Use a few script editors. Okay. First we want this. The ball can be the main color. We control it. Let's create this variable. First of all, we call it main color. Main color. Then the name on the machine. We also call it main color. Then its step is color. Not only do it in white. 1.0 This 1.0 1.0 1.0 1.0 Okay. Let's still remember to multiply this color. We call main color mall. Hidden variable. Okay. Then these two variables. We need to register in our shader. So let's set it up. Then register here. This number, its type should be red. It is a running type. Let's change it to 0.1透时. Just delay 1. Then we also register its type is floor. Then now, let's say this is finally, do not return this sticker. Let's first define a color. Base equals offset color. Equals our, this main color becomes our main color number. Then we return this color. Okay. Let's try. Okay, so our ball can, according to our self-determination, main color to define its color. Next we want to put text is displayed. Let's go back to the editor. We want to define some colors for this set. For example, we can define different colors. So we define one code, outline variable. Let's copy one. Call outline color. Outline color. Then give the same number. Outline color mall. Also pull these two variables. Okay. Finally, when we return color we got this text from the sticker. Then multiple our outline color and outline number. Okay. Back on the topic. Then we can throw our stickers up. Then we can change this main color and outline color. Main color, let's change blue color. Okay. We all know this effect. Then we change this outline color. We change pink, purple. Then we turn on the export on post-processing. We change the state to 0. Then change the intensity to 10. Okay. Now the outline allow bonus border out. Then its stickers can also be seen. But this. The outline is a bit red. We can control the color of the outline. Let's come back. Let's change the color. It is best. It is not an excessive damage. We should use a set to deal with it. Let's use it to then reply to it. This means that we are in this step. Now compute it, then step it and apply it again. If this value is greater than 0.8, it will return to 1. Otherwise, it will return to 0 and is more obvious. We take it through it. Because this sticker, it only buys. This sticker, it only buys a red. It has an excessive effect. No ball. The effect on the outline is more obvious. Okay. This tower, you can see our own simut. Then we can add any change on this tower. Then we can control its exposure. Beta D. HDR. Okay, back. Then we can control its exposure. We can make it bright. This can be done according to everyone's preferences. Okay, this time outdoor is over. Next time we want to complete outdoor lab. Art so cool. The ball is shining. With this detailed demo. Let's see you next time. Oh no, well let's continue. Last time we completed the export in the main text one machine. Then this time we went to the edge near that chance. Okay. In the spare time, I can list color parameters. You can pause the screenshot. Or press your own preferences. Okay, let's go back to the SCU. First of all, we wrote a picture to show us what it. First of all, we are in the top left hand side direction on the word 发现. Let's write it down. O point. Normal. What does it mean? We do unity. I'm not going. Put me. Normal. This function is used to convert our top 发现. We point normal. We want to define this normal. Its type is 3. 粘贴地套条normal piano. Okay. Now given this 发现. Directly found 98. Next is our top world coordinates. O point. What does it mean? It means we do only point. What does it mean? Name for more object. Turn word. Normal. Normal. We pass object. It's unity. Unity. Object. Put me. Okay, so is re. Okay, so not action on word 发现. Then you coordinates we define it in this structure. 那发现所3 type. The piano is normal. Then is the word position. False. Then we select test E. This channel. Okay. Then we want to calculate in the remove projector. 2 points. First of all, we want to get this line on set. Let's get it. We pass. Unity. Let's tend it. Unity. Attacked. Set. Unity. Wall. Base. Neo. Director. Okay. We pass our word position. Then let's normalize it. Reading rate. Then we put this time. As much as possible in our 发现. Create as much as possible. Dot. Has our word position. Okay. Then we get value on the point. We use a variable to save it. Okay. Next, let's play. Let's export this power first. Let's center it into false. Okay. Let's go back to Unity. You can see that there is something wrong now. Let's take a look at normalize one position. We passed it wrong. It should be what normal. Okay. You can see that the atom above is black and it's dark in the middle. We can put this. The value on the fit. Expose a variable. We also pass this one. Let's name it. Called FSNEM. What is it called? Called POC. Okay, let's declare this variable. Then replace this 1.0 position. Okay. So we can manipulate this slide to control the effect on this scene. Next, let's spin this scene. Let's copy one color. This. Then funny color. Explain this variable. Force. Then multiply this tower. Then we don't export this power rapidly. Let's export it. Leave it will cover on the previous episode. Then the cover on all ceiling. Then we export the cover on the ceiling. Okay, then we want to tin in top because it was not become a force top. We want to tin it back to unity. Okay, now bonhead. New blocks of appearances out. You can rest it according to your own preferences. Now cover on the outer circle. I pin it to 351145. Okay, I am very satisfied when this effect content is completed at this point. We want to realize. We create a tilt. We want to realize this tilt. When this, no allowing money at on the shield. Okay, then we'll see you next time. Bye. Hello, welcome that. Let's not previous episode we can on the cinematic light. In this episode, we want to realize two tips. Okay, default light. I want to reduce the intensity of this light. We thinking this. The color on the ceiling is also kept. Let's write it down. We set one called ceiling. Then we set very blue then. Then the last color on the ceiling. Set this factor. Okay, let's come back. Okay, so we can rest this. Let our ceiling light effect be more obvious. Okay, let's rest it to 3. Okay, next we want to do our Q-dant. The rarity level first turn on. It should have a transparent effect when it passes through the. Let's realize it. In fact, as long as we tint our rendering mode, we tint it to transparency. At the same time, tint in rendering transparency. Also tint to transparency. Family, tint 1. Also tint into. Generally speaking, we run these 3 methods. Then tint to our mixed mode. We tint to total color. Mix in our current color. Family, transparent appears of the default import. Let's close it. Nisui what block and motifs. Okay, let's come back. Okay, so our cube can pass through machine display. Okay, as in that our current scene is a bit flat. What tower? Last about. The color on the floor can also be darker. Okay, so the color of our sheet is more obvious. Let's do our relative leveling next. The idea is very simple. When we are rendering a sheet, putting depth mark to center, the depth corresponding to the edge. If the depth on the edge and the depth on the depth map are similar, then I think this edge should be displayed in my volume. Okay, let's realize it. First of all, we want to calculate the depth of the ground. We come to the top left sensor. We pass through compute ID. Then pass in a variable. Let's define it as the deep. Then we declare this variable sort. Then the camera is written as tar. Okay, next we want to get this top on its string table. We pass in the string table as to compute string position. Then pass in a new variable. Let's call it task position. Okay, let's burn this variable. The top is sorts. Listen to panel 3. Okay, then we run the depth load up point and load up point on the string table. Next, we want to get our depth map. All, we do back to Unity. We come to camera. Then come to its decoration depth map. Okay, then come back. We need to select our depth map. We pass through a variable. Log line camera. Deep text. We are in the picture. In the picture, we need to make samples on this depth map. We pass so simple. Deep text to broad depth. Then we pass in a string table. We need to tint this table. Because we are in the bottom point of the broad depth is in a different space. We need to turn it into a string space. We pass through Unity. Broad depth table. Pass in our string table. Family, we got this value in the depth map. It is between me and we need to turn it into the depth of the map. We pass through anybody. Okay, then we got our index. Let's write it as DB. Okay. Next, let us. The depth map on all screen. The depth map is the same as the previous one. It is let's load named. We but TD. Miss represents the depth difference. Because the depth difference is small. Our volume is small. We set a variable for it to cut it. We call it intercept what? To reduce this variable. Okay. We deploy a new variable acceptance in intercept what mall. Then we define the number one multiplied by this number. Let's use our one purpose to multiply our number. Let's try it first. Okay, there should be no problem. Oh, suddenly, we want to deploy this variable on the outside. Okay, come back. Okay, you can see that it's a little bit wrong now. First of all, let's scan in the text. It's very about plus actually there is a part of it that is old what. The reason is that this part on all difference, this part. It may be bigger than this one. So we're going to do a count on it. Let's look at its set function. If it's less than 0, then let it be 0. Let it be equal to 0, or let it be equal to 1. Okay, let's come back. Okay, so let's test this one. Well, the smallest one is a little bit small. Let's it again. Let's let it be between 0 and 5. Okay, let's make it the smallest just a little bit. We want a prevent effect. Okay, so our environment is reversed. Let's try it again. Okay, the effect is improved. That's the end on our call. Well, now our shield works a little dull. So next time we delete a little detail animation. Let it look more dynamic. Okay, then we'll see you next time. Bye. Oh, well, let's continue. Last time we completed the random display on the time interface and then we're going to reverse the random animation effect on the time interface. Okay, let me tell you when I did. We're going to run a span on the steps. Then we're going to take a sample on this step. Then according to the result on this sample, let it piece in its direction. It's at a different level. Okay, so we're going to need one of these span steps. We're going to start making it now. We're going to delete this old one. We're going to create an image. Okay, let's let this background. Then we'll need more than the number. Reduce the board to the sticks system so. Then the sticks almost the smallest. Then we just override. Okay, so we run our span sticks. Let's get this image out. Let's call it a little bit again. Let's call it a little bit again. Okay, so we run this picture. Let's get it into Unity. Okay, next we're going to take samples on this picture. First of all, we're going to do all the pen delineation. We're going to make sure that it pieces in its direction. We can simply reverse it. Let's take a look. Let's go to the code. We're in the top end delineation. Let's modify the top end coordinates. Let's make the top end x, y, z equal to 1 in the direction on the line. Let's set it to 0.1. Let's see the effect. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, you can see that every piece of all time is in its direction. It's still in on the direction on the line. Now we're going to take samples of this picture. Let's just set a variable to influence this picture. Let's set a variable on its main text. Let's key in the name of the text. Let's set the variable. Okay, we're going to take samples of this picture. We're going to use the method on test the keyword. The first parameter is the picture. The second parameter is the folded number. Let's write it down. Let's take a 0.5, 0, and write it down. Let's take a panel. People already need alpha panel as advanced parent transition effect. Then we use a variable to accept it. Let's call it offset y. Let's call it offset name. Okay, let's make the top and delineation important is valid. Okay, let's come back. Okay, so we can turn on the reality that is deeper. Next, we're going to make it a more If he has a different theory demand on this picture, we are currently written to this. Okay, let's write down and book of store with this the beginning of where. We will write it up point he said according to its maximum word. The personal maximum word on the 6 points on the same face is the same. Let's just take a direction. For example, call it S. The personal word is S is 1:1. We want to turn it into 0到1, so we multiply it by 0.5 plus 0.5. Then we successfully turn this value into 0到1. Then we apply this value into the other table on our picture. Okay, let's multiply it by C, so that it is not multiplied by 0.1. Okay, you can see that it doesn't want this one effect now. Let's look at the reason. Multiply 0.5 plus 0.5. Text RB. The puzzle picture was not been copied yet. Let's copy it. Okay, now we paste our picture. If it has a different name, then we make it easy. According to the time, no so is easy. We make this 12 plus 10 plus equal to 1. Okay, so we done the top animation effect. We can make its effect not so obvious. Let's multiply it by 0.05. Okay, now top animation is not more beautiful.